Good morning, beautiful people of the world. It's your favorite Somali boy, back with another video. Like I said in the last one, City Boy is back in the village. I woke up well today. Jeffrey's mother just bought a piece of land and we're going to fence it the traditional way. So, Jeffrey, come useme good morning at least. Kabla tuende.
Yeah, hello guys.
This is better with the lighting.
Hello guys. It's me again.
Yes.
I'm doing some work here.
Doing some fencing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the work has just begun. It's going to get more intense as the day goes by. Yeah. So, hii maziwa ni ile mtu akiguza na mkono unakuwa sticky.
Sticky, yeah. Lakini sio gum.
Let me see what it smells like. Nothing. So hizi ndo tunatumia kufence ama tutaenda kukata zile sasa zimekauka?
Hizi ndo tunatumia kufence.
So we're actually going to be using this for the fencing. Hey, I hope you guys are doing well. I feel well rested today. I think I was asleep yesterday by like 7 and up by like 7:30, so a good 12 hours of sleep. But it was hot, though I still enjoyed. Man, that mountain is so beautiful. I'm coming for you. So yeah, this is your typical village here. There's not really much they don't really have any cash crop here, like at all, but you might see a few people planting their own maize, but this maize is only for their own consumption. This is not for selling. Yeah, like I said, these guys are really doing a good job sustaining themselves. They are strong people. It's hot out here. They are very strong people to be able to survive and thrive. Maybe I can show you what the place looks like. And it's very quiet. Initially, I didn't know that we're going to be cutting the things that we need for the fencing here. I thought where the plot of land is, there would be some trees, maybe with like thorns and stuff, because you know, with such soil, you find a lot of these trees with thorns, and that's why usually when you're traveling on this road to Mombasa, you'll always find giraffes on the side of the road, because they have long tongues and they can navigate their way around such trees and manage to eat. I would also assume, because I know any citrus fruit and tea and sometimes coffee can thrive in, especially citrus fruits, they can thrive on such soil. But I'm yet to see any trees with fruits here. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. We've only just begun the journey, and there's a lot more content coming for you guys, so take it easy and enjoy. Alright guys, the wheelbarrow is fully loaded and we're on the way. Just when we decided to start walking, guess what happens? The sun just started shining. go this way because of the lighting. So as my body slowly continues to recover from the exhaustion of the journey, you know, it's still important for me to shoot content. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking it easy, nice and slow, nothing too hectic, because I know climbing that small mountain over there is not going to be easy. But you know, I'm just picturing myself at the top with my arms stretched wide, just soaking in the sun and the breeze. That feeling I can't wait for. Jeff, this way. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. Okay. Yes. Yeah, just asking for the directions. Habari zetu?
Nzuri sana. Jambo.
Poa poa. Some construction is going on. I can also see here, just like in Nyabohanse, the people don't buy stones when building. They make their own bricks. That's why I said this place reminds me of Zambia, because Zambians also like making their own bricks. Okay. Jeff is just directing me slowly. My God, I'm actually now even closer than I've ever been to this mountain. Hey, that thing is big. And nobody knows whether it's owned by, because everybody knows it's owned by Wildlife Works, but nobody knows who owns Wildlife Works. Fenced all these mountains, but they do allow people to go in on certain sides. Let me show you from a good angle. You can only wonder what goes on in there. Yeah, all that is owned by that company, but like I said, nobody knows who owns the company. Some more construction going on, but with these guys it's different. You can see they bought stones. Oh yeah, fun fact about what we're using for the fencing, it's actually poisonous. The milk is poisonous, so you know, if you're trying to sneak into someone's house and you just get pricked, you know, itchy, it burns. If it gets into your eyes swell up, you know. I don't think you go blind, but you will go blind for a few days. Not completely though. Yeah. So the thing I came to notice about such places that like these villages, life in these villages is quite slow. So different from where I come from, where I grew up, the fast-paced, noisy, hustle and bustle Nairobi. Here it's like everyone knows each other. Like they know when you're a new face, even just the way you talk. Because remember, we have about 45 tribes in Kenya, and yes, I think in terms of African languages, I think Kiswahili and Afrikaans are the only languages in Africa that are not associated to any tribe. So we speak Swahili here. Jeff, this way. We're going down, huh? We speak Swahili in Kenya and many countries in East Africa. But since there's so many tribes, the accents really do change. And also, you know, this city, you find that in this city, predominantly it's going to be like when you go to Nyabohanse, predominantly you'll find Kuria people there and some Luos. You know, when you're here, you're going to find Taita people and Kambas. Taita people are, you don't get to meet a lot of them, especially on where I come from, Nairobi. But they're very, Kenyan men say they have the best looking women, the most gorgeous women. Is that true? Hey, if it is, hit me up on the comments. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment, man. Tell me what you enjoyed the most. Yeah, and what I can improve on. Positive criticism is a must, and it's important. Don't just watch the video and leave me hanging just like that. Subscribe. I find that getting hours watched, my hours count is increasing, but my subscribers count is like 30% of you are the ones subscribing. Out of all the people that have watched, out of 100%, less than 30 have subscribed, and I would like for us to try and change that, people. So, positive criticism, like, share, and subscribe. Sorry, my shoelace. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I really like the smell of goats and cows and chickens. Jeff, what's this? What's this that's been planted here? Seeds. What's this plant?
Weeds.
Weeds, huh? Yeah. Oh, they just grew. Oh, these are weeds. The way they've grown so neatly, you'd be surprised. The worst time for goats and chickens, I have to say, in Kenya, has to be Christmas season. Yeah. Because people eat. So I think you guys understand what I meant when I said the life here is quite slow. Imagine how long we've been walking, and how many people have you seen? Like on a walking path. Forget about the guys doing construction. Because I've just seen one. Look at the mountain.
Iko pale.
Hiyo bendera iko wapi hapo?
Njoo simame hapo utaiona.
Windsor. I think Windsor.
Unaiona?
Naiona pale ile Windsor. Hiyo yote ni yao ama hapo ndo inaanzia?
Hapa kote ni kwao.
Hadi huko. Kwa nyuma.
Na what are these people planning to do with all this land?
Hii ni kama restaurant.
Oh, itakuja
industry.
Hii
ni industry inatengeneza oxygen,
manguo,
inatengeneza manguo, mipira.
Oxygen tank zile za watu wagonjwa. Oh.
Unatengeneza mambo ya chemical, leather.
Okay.
Kuna wafanyakazi wengi
huko ndani. Na hao wafanyakazi wote wanaishi huko ndani eh?
Hizi manyumba yote unaona huko kwetu. Hizi manyumba yote inadependika mpo.
Okay.
Nyumba kubwa umeziona huko hizo kubwa.
Na mshahara ya watu ni kama ngapi hivi? Wanalipa watu mshahara kama ya ngapi?
Pesa kidogo tu.
Ni kidogo?
Unajua huko cost hakuna mishahara.
Kweli.
Huko iko chini. Sasa kama rent anapewa kama 12,015. Unaona hiyo nyumba ya makuti?
Yeah. Yeah, pale juu
hizo nyumba zao za wazungu za kulala.
Tukipanda mlima ndo utajua vizuri.
Utaziona vizuri.
So guys, don't worry. Once I climb up the hill, you get to see everything nicely, yeah?
Ni wade ye wabiga.
Hey.
Nyene na umire mbemba, mutu ni tene no ka mbemba.
The fencing going on in this place. My goodness. Or maybe they think they might find gold here someday. You never know. Maybe they think they might find gold or some gemstones. Because this place is being protected and yet there's nothing going on. I really just can't. I'm trying to understand. Trying to wrap my head around its why. I'm trying to wrap my head around the why. Still don't have an answer. Because dude, the security is tight. It's not a joke. And yeah, on the other side of the mountain, by the way, they have like a safari rally. What do you call it? Like a safari rally racing path. As we walk, I'm trying to keep my eyes out and I'm trying to see anywhere I can spot elephant dunk and elephant poo. I know it's going to be big, but the only ones I seem to be walking past are the goat's poo. But you know, it's been raining, so they have so much food. Jeffrey was telling me, because of the rain, they have so much food inside the national park that they don't have to come to the road. In fact, he says to me, I was lucky. You know, this is what we're looking for, something big like this, but a little bit bigger, like three or four times bigger than that. So yeah, he was even telling me I'm very blessed, I'm very lucky that I got to see those two elephants, because now it's been raining, there's a lot of food in the national park, so they don't need to come to the trees by the side of the road for food, because normally that's the only reason why they come close to the road. So yeah, I was lucky, and I know it's going to be difficult while we're walking for me to spot some elephant dunk, but Imagine if we do, imagine how beautiful that would be. Yeah, we passed by huku. All right. Another thing to expect when you're walking such terrains is insects. Oh my goodness! When you're in the city, you don't know how many insects we have. You think it's just houseflies and mosquitoes and cockroaches. Hey, we've got insects I couldn't even name. Now I wonder how Geoffrey is going to pass here, because I can see somebody tried fencing it. How are you going to pass, Geoffrey? We keep going straight. So I feel like Steve Irwin. Crikey! I'm going in, mate. Yeah, but we're not that deep inside, so don't be scared for me. I'll be safe. I'll be alright. Where I'm a bit worried is once I climb that mountain, I don't want to carry any food. I'll just carry water, because if I just happen to stumble upon some baboons, though I don't know if they've seen many tourists. You know, once they're smart animals. Once they see the tourists, and the tourists are always giving them food and removing the food from the bag, then now they know inside that person's bag there's food. So then they can start to hustle. You know, things like this just makes you know. That's an animal pursued this to get whatever's inside. Yeah, so when climbing, I'm just going to go with water. Yeah, water and no. Yeah, water will be fine. You know, I respect people's choices, even if I don't understand them. And to say the truth, I really don't understand why people would choose to live here. These are weeds. Smell lovely. The air is light. A little bit heavy because of the humidity, but for the most part, it's not too bad. This looks like a road. We really have encroached into wildlife's territory, and we just keep going in. But big up to the Kenyan government. Our government has really tried. Always has and always will be. Hivi straight.
Nenda na hii njia tu kwetu nyumbani.
Sawa.
Nenda mpaka Madrid. Nenda mpaka Mombasa.
Funny enough, I just heard Mama Geoffrey saying that you can actually use this back route to get to all the way to Mombasa. The road is not too far from here. I don't know if you can hear the trucks. And then the SGR is across the road, the standard gauge railway. Also that side is the national park. Let me stop the camera here, guys. I'll pick it up once we find out which plot it is. Found the plot, guys. So now we're trying to do the marking. As you can see, her neighbor has been putting the demarcations using the same plant to mark his territory. I don't know if you can see this through the camera. You see this line here, all the way to like the road. You can see. So this is Mama Jeff's, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And she's looking to sell her other piece of land in this same area. If anybody would be interested, hit me up on my email address. I'll put it in the description. Don't DM me. The 50 by 100 times 2. Sawa.
Mama, hii ni barabara. Mama ndio kwa barabara.
Kwani hapa kuna barabara na?
Hizi barabara.
Hakuna msingi hapa. Kwanza huo mpizi unataka uangaliwe vizuri kwa pande gani?
Sisi tutaka iko tofauti.
Hivi si shida. Mipinzi. Hapana. Hiyo Japan. Hii ni ile mipinzi tulikuwa tunaonyesha. Mipinzi kwanza bali bongo ndogo.
Still trying to confirm if it's the plot, eh? Still trying to confirm. I'm looking for the mpinzi. In Swahili they call that plant mpinzi. The poisonous one, the green one. It requires no water to grow. All you gotta do is plant it, that's it. A beautiful mountain. We're coming. Taita Taveta. Nafaa kuwa na plant ama?
nusu eh. Show you. Huh? Mm. Eka kama hii tu ishafishi. Hata hii tu hivi like. Umelalisha, take straight. Kama nimelalisha.
Hata kukiza na hiyo panga. Saka tumiti.
Hey guys, so as guys, we finished marking the plot. Took a slow walk back. I just took a shower and now I'm about to enjoy this lovely meal here. Please let me know what I'm doing right in the comments and what I can do better. Make sure you like, because it helps out with the algorithm. My video will pop up a lot more. And share and subscribe, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.